Well, thanks for watching. So, what you're seeing here is some drone footage from the recent flooding in Sioux Falls. I've been going out on my breaks during lunch and getting some footage of some just crazy amounts of water. And here you can see in the mini map where the drone is compared to where the river normally is, and just how much water is above land right now. And I drive this section of interstate coming up here in the footage every day to work, to and from, and so I've been seeing the water levels get higher and higher. So to see the footage from the air and just see exactly how much really is underwater is pretty impressive. So I've got a few different clips in here showing different areas of the Big Sioux River, of exactly just how much water is above normal right now. So this section of footage is about 1.5 miles down the river from where the last one was, and you can see in the mini map just how the river normally bends and goes around these curves, but because of how high the water level is, you can't even tell where the river's supposed to be. It looks like it's just a straight shot, but it's not straight at all. That's just how much water is in these fields and in around these places, these businesses, and these people's homes. So go ahead and check this out. And this last section of video here is the public hunting area that is just to the east of Lake Alvin. And I've hunted this area with my bow, so I'm very familiar with it. And so just to see this much land underwater is crazy. You know, this flooding is no joke at all. This river normally has, you know, a nice big bend. You can just see in the mini map how it's so high right now that it's just going completely straight right over the top of all that land that used to be there. So luckily for this clip here, the farmers' homes that are along the banks are far enough away that it doesn't appear that they have at least lost any buildings. So I can't say if they've lost anything else, but at least from what I can see from this drone footage, they're safe at home at least. So stick around to the very end too. You can see just how high up into these hills that this water has gotten. So check it out.